Welcome to the month of June, 30 days all about gin. Shining a spotlight on those with a unique spin. Fun facts and proper tastings, cocktails and Friday afternoons. Discover 13 different brands and be influenced by me. Some for all. That's right, I am a song for all.
Hello everyone and welcome to day 22 of Gi-Une, my annual 30-day salute to gin during the month of June. Now today's a Wednesday and that means it's a product tasting day. And it means that it's time to showcase the third of the 4 Canadian gins with a spin that I'm showcasing this week. And let me tell you something, I've got something very special in store for this hump day. Now way back in June 2020, I was sent a sample of a very new Canadian dry style gin, Valley of Mother of God. Now those of you who have seen my YouTube review of it already know that I believe that this Ontario upstart with a long name gin almost single-handedly raised the bar for what Canadian gin can be, while also creating a new category, the one I named Super Premium. Today I've got their latest release, Valley of Mother of God Smoked Gin from the good people at Foxglove Spirits. Now the obvious spin here is that it's smoked. And truthfully, I can't say that I've ever seen that before. This is a creation that took over 3 years to develop. Further testament to how quality is everything to this brand and to its owners. And this draws inspiration from the peated Scottish whiskies produced in the Islay region. Raw juniper berries from the Ottawa Valley, which is grown, not far from where I am here in Ontario, is gently hand smoked over Maplewood at the distiller's home farm in Allison, which is just north of Toronto. And yes, folks, I did say it was hand smoked. Both another spin and yet another testament to the attention to detail and the dedication to quality that the Mother of God team has. So now this smoked juniper is then infused with the original multi-award winning dry gin recipe. The one that was developed with passion, dedicated research, and involved both the palate of a super taster as well as input and guidance from Charles Maxwell, that legendary 5th generation English gin distiller. A quick reminder on the ingredients used, in the original recipe, and for full details, please do visit my YouTube channel for my June 2020 review of it. So what's in here? Well, winter wheat is grown on the Alliston farm, which is used for the base. And other local ingredients include apple and cranberry and black walnut and rosemary, and of course, that Ottawa Valley juniper, all adding more spins to this already unique stylistic approach. Coming in at 43% alcohol by volume for a 750 milliliter format, it's time to dive in for a sniff and a taste. As always, we are first going to acclimate our nose by raising the glass 3 times, and then on the 4th raise, we're going to take a big inhale. Here's how I like to do it. Hello there. How are you? Hope you smell delicious. Now we're ready. Refined elegance in a glass. We notice the smoke right away, but it's gentle, supple, and inviting. The juniper provides an ashen, almost, and sweet pine note with just a wisp of savoriness. Going back again, the red apple, cranberry, little mushroom, and some forest floor all tantalize the olfactory senses. Just a very lovely bouquet. Okay, so now it's time for a taste. And as we always do, we're going to take a sip and then we're going to swish the liquid around our mouth. We're going to coat all 5 flavor receptors that we have. Cheers. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So there's a touch of weight on the tongue, right? Just feel, I wouldn't say it's heavy, but you can feel it on the tongue a little bit. And then there's this myriad of refined flavors that all collide in an interlude of balance. Some savory smoke, sweet eucalyptus tones, vibrant fruit. They all start things off. Before this denouement, that I'm going to call it, of herbal and earth and forest floor flavors, all ending with some sweet cranberry and citrus lift. Smooth, clean, and a true symphony on the palate. Another home run for the Foxglove folks. Well done indeed. Now for me, this version of Mother of God would be perfect neat as a sipper. Would also work very well in elevating gin cocktails. However, I would caution that if you're using it in cocktails, to use a little bit of restraint in the use of adjunct ingredients, all those other things that go into a cocktail. Because it would truly be a shame to mute any of the delicate assemblage of flavors here, right? You really want to taste the gin. Okay, so Psalm for All likes it. We can gather that. Now, if you're intrigued where you can find it, alas, only here in Ontario, Canada is where it's available. You can find it at the LCBO, stock number 19670, retailing for $72.95 Canadian for a 750 milliliter bottle. Not really available anywhere else, nor is it available for out of province shipping. So is it a little pricey at almost $73? Yeah, it's a little pricey. $73, that's a lot of money. Is it absolutely delicious? It absolutely is. Again, folks, remember, when we're talking about Valley of Mother of God smoked gin, we're talking about a super premium Canadian dry gin. Okay, so there you have it. Valley of Mother of God smoked gin, made right here in Ontario. Thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow, day 23 of Gi-Une, I'll be sharing a final product showcase for this week, so be sure to check out my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram pages, and please ensure that we are connected on all of them. Also, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll make sure you don't miss a moment of Gi-Une. It's all very easy to do. Just go into the little search field, type in SOMM4ALL, and you'll be all set. Until tomorrow, stay safe, be well, and cheers from Psalm for All.
I am a song for